Welcome problem solving fans to another problem of the day, and this one is all about a sequence and using a rule to go forwards in the sequence and also to work in reverse to go backwards in the sequence. Now the rule says multiply the previous term by 3 and subtract 4, and we get told that the second term of the sequence is 5, but we need to find the difference between the first and the fourth terms of the sequence. Well, since we need to go from the first to the fourth terms of the sequence, let's just map this out at the side. So, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. And every time we go from one term to the next, we're timesing by 3 and taking away 4. So from the first term to the second term, it's times 3, take away 4. And then same from the second to the third, it's times 3, take away 4. And the same from the third to the fourth. It's times 3, take away 4. Now let's see what we can figure out. So, the second term of the sequence is 5. So let's write a 5 next to that second term. But if we times that by 3 and take away 4, we'll get the third term. So 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 take away 4 is 11. So the third term must be 11. Again, times by 3, take away 4 to get to the next term. So 11 times by 3 is 33, and 33 take away 4 is 29. So the fourth term must be 29. Now the first term is a little bit more tricky because we've been going down the terms in the sequence to get from one to the next. But to get the first term, we need to work in reverse. We need to go backwards. So instead of going times 3 take away 4, from this number 5, we need to go in reverse. So the reverse of take away 4 would be to add 4, and the reverse of times 3 would be to divide by 3. And that will get us back to the first term. So if we start with this 5 and add on the 4, that takes us to 9. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the first term must be 3. Now we're almost there. It says find the difference between the first term, well the first term we've just worked out is 3, and the fourth term, which we've got down here, was 29. So we're basically finding the difference between 3 and 29, and difference means subtract the smaller number from the larger number. So 29 subtract 3, we can do that in our heads, is 26. So the final answer to the problem is 26.